I'm on my way to the only coffee shop, my favorite coffee shop here. It's there at a place called Ushaka Marine World. I'll just go there and do a short vlog there with them, and obviously have some coffee as well. How have you guys been keeping? How are the viewers? I've been doing fine. I can't complain. So I'm just on the way now. I don't know if you know what's a blue bottle, but I just seen a blue bottle. Yes, that's a blue bottle. You have to be careful of those blue bottles when you're in the water, because if they sting you, it's very, very, very painful. You may have to seek medical attention after that. In terms of the weather, it's very sunny, hot, and not humid and not windy. It's good. Going towards the seagull. Oh, it just flew away now. There's some people sunbathing, sunbathers. Let me just go into the water for a few seconds. Woo. Oh, it's ice cold and chilly. Yeah, some people passing me. You must have seen the vlog I made of a bunny chow. I had a bunny chow at Little Gujarat Indian restaurant. It was a red speckled beans bunny chow. It was very delicious. Hello. That's in another vlog during this week. Make sure you check that vlog out. In front you can see this Ushaka Marine World, Aquarium, Sea World, dolphin shows. Inside there is the only coffee shop, my favorite coffee shop, which we're going to go today to have a coffee and do a vlog as well. Another blue bottle. Blue bottles. Yeah. Lovely people enjoying the lovely atmosphere and the lovely water. Now I reached the Ushaka Marine World Beach, Ushaka Beach. I finally reached the Ushaka Marine World. Ushaka Marine World. Where I'm going into the one and only coffee shop, the only coffee shop. So they actually opened a McDonald's now. I see there's a McDonald's. First time I'm seeing a McDonald's. If you can remember a previous vlog, the shipwreck in front, it's called a cargo hold at Ushaka Marine World, where we filmed the aquarium, the largest aquarium restaurant in the southern hemisphere and in Africa. I hope you're enjoying all the vlogs that are made by Africa World Travel 5, your favorite YouTube channel.